What's up? It's your favorite lawyer. Court is now in session, okay? All right, we're gonna do a little different. First case, child support. Can a child support lien be put on a home that is not jointly owned? I purchased my home before my husband and I were married. A few years later, I did a cash out refinance, and I told the mortgage company that my husband was not going on the paperwork because this was purchased before the marriage. But they said he wouldn't be on the deed, but he still had to sign the paperwork because Texas is a community property state. They advised me that this would not give my husband any rights to the property, but just that he would know what's going on. I'm in real estate and was checking out the value on my home, and I seen that I may have a child support lien on it. Can that happen if this is separate property? I'm looking into doing a cash out refinance again, and I want to make sure this will not interfere with that. If he's not paying the mortgage or on the title, how can they do this? Girl, let me tell you out, girl. Court is now in session. Okay, we're bringing you to the court of our public opinion. The first thing you're never going to do, okay, is take legal advice from a non-attorney. We're not going to do that. We're not going to take legal advice from a non-attorney who stands to gain something because they're in some sort of deal with us, like a mortgage company or a bank. We are never going to deal with the bank on our own unless we are savvy enough to deal with the bank on our own. And guys, people will deal with banks and let the banks break them. Banks are there to make you know what you are doing. Moving on to the Texas family law question, or the family law question in any states where there is community property, and then I'm going to put a twist on it for the states where there is not. Okay? Ma'am, it doesn't matter if you bought the home before the marriage. If you set up there and paid that house out while you was married, that man is entitled to 50% of the worth of that house from the time that you were married to him to the date of the divorce, baby. You do not get a chance to go purchase some property before marriage and then have your husband or your girlfriend or wife, we married, have your husband or your wife sit up there and toil and foil, put their money into a joint bank account, or just help you along with life, and then you go and take the house free and clear from them when they just set up there and put all their blood, sweat, and tears into that house or into everything else so that you could pay the house note. Don't try it. No, ma'am. Not gonna buy it. Court ain't gonna let you do it. Okay? I had to slap you on the side. I couldn't even slap you on the back because that was dumb. Okay, ma'am? And let me tell y'all something about real estate agents. I've noticed that you guys like to do a little, y'all think y'all are lawyers and y'all a little split in the pants. Ma'am, it's community property. Guys, if it's a separate property state, you can argue that, but they will have an offset amount against that. And they'll put a lien on it in a divorce regardless. Because although it's a separate property state, if you're living in it with your spouse and because of what they're doing, you're able to pay that mortgage, it's gonna be a set off. Okay, of some sort, even if it's a separate property state. Going back to, ma'am, this lien, it's a good lien. Okay, just because the mortgage company lied to you doesn't mean the government is dumb. Okay, they put the lien on there, ma'am, and the lien is on there. Yes, it's gonna have a bearing on your cash out refinance. You'll be able to get whatever the hell you want, less than $10,000. And ma'am, right now is not the time to be doing it anyways. What are you doing? In the end, you're gonna have a big house worth nothing, and you done pulled all your money out. And what are you gonna do? Short sell it? I'm tired of real estate people asking me how to do their little dirty business better. Stop it. Get you a lawyer friend. Next case. Fast and loose.
From legal woes to legal wows, attorney Ali Booker has got you covered. Civil lawsuit to CPS knocking on your door.